What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk to you about my dividend investing portfolio. I wanted to get into my Robinhood account, show you how much I have in there, how much I gain in dividends, how much I expect to gain in the next, let's say 10, 12, 15, however many years I hold on to this account. I wanted to give you updates. I gave you updates in the past, but I wanted to give you more updates more frequently, maybe every month. So today I'm going through my dividends that I received in September. I'm also going to include August in there since I did not do that. But I'm going to give you a lot of information here just so that if you're interested in dividend investing, you can jump into it yourself. Before I jump into this, please hit that like button. It helps me out a lot, helps the channel out. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, personal finance, investing, credit cards, all types of videos. Please hit that subscribe button. Also, get your free stocks with Webull and Robinhood down below. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let me show you my portfolio first, and then I'll get into what I received dividend wise. So if you see my portfolio for the last day, I'm up $26.73. After hours, $53.17 or $52 now that it changed and 17 cents. For the week, I'm up $213.50. What's crazy is you can see the $233.50, but I actually invested $4,200 into the account. So I'm actually down a significant amount, not a significant amount as in hundreds, but you know, any money is really a significant amount, to tell you the truth. You don't want to be down any money, but the focus of this account is all on dividends, not really on the growth of the stock. Yes, I want to see the growth of the stock, but more on the dividend side. So you look at 1 month, I'm down $102 of total balance, and you look at 3 months, which is basically when I started investing into Robinhood, I'm down $51. So you can see I'm down from when I invested. So let's go ahead and get into my portfolio. I have 10 shares of AY. I have 58 shares of American Airlines. I expect to increase that. 20 shares of AT&T. I have 5 shares of Boeing, 3 shares of Disney, 1 share of AM, 60 shares of Ford, 20 shares of LTC Properties, and 3 shares of O, which I want to increase O as well. LTC Properties and O I want to increase because obviously they're monthly paying dividends. That's what I like to see. So with all of that, let's see how much I gained in dividends for the month of September. So the past 30 days, LTC Property just paid me out $3.80 on September 30th. That's a pretty solid dividend, especially it's one of the best dividends that I've received so far, just because I'm early in the stages. I did receive a dividend from PSEC, which was 0.06 cents on September 17th. AY paid me out a dividend of $4.20. O paid me out a dividend of 70 cents in September. So looking at September as a whole, I got paid out $8.78 of dividends. Now I know you're probably saying that's not a lot of money. I can, go walk down the street and probably find that on the sidewalk. Possibly, but you know what? You can take that money and you can reinvest that into other areas. Right now, I can go and buy another share of Ford with that money that I received in September. So I think it's a good thing because you're reinvesting that money and you're growing your money as you go along. And if you invest it in the right places, then you're going to receive a lot more dividends over the year and be able to reinvest that money into other areas to gain more dividends as you go along. So it's very smart. Let's go ahead and look at the ones in August. So I had 5 companies pay me out dividends in August. I had LTC Property that paid me out $3.80 again. I had PSEC that paid me out 6 cents again. O paid me out 70 cents. AM paid me out 31 cents, and AT&T paid out $5.20, which was my largest dividend yet. So that's obviously a really good payout for AT&T. They're only going to be paying out quarterly, so it's not something that's monthly, but I do get $5.20. I'm really happy with what I received from AT&T. So my total payout for August was $10.07, which is a really good thing. You're going to say that, August is higher than September. That's not really a good thing if you look at a trend line, but it's going this way instead of this way. But I feel like this is a good thing. Obviously, you have a dividend that's a quarterly dividend that was paid out. So without that, it would have been less. And then, we would have had that upward trend. So as you go along, you're going to have dividends that are unexpected, but you're going to be able to collect on those dividends and reinvest that money. So total that I gained over the last 2 months was $18.83, which is a really good deal. I'm really happy with the amount of dividends that I was paid out, and I'm going to keep investing in different stocks, and hopefully I can gain a point to where every quarter I can get $1,000 in dividends or $2,000 in dividends as I go along. So we'll see how this all plays out. But that's my dividend portfolio. Let me know what you think about my portfolio. If you think that there are some other movers out there, I'm really interested to see what I invest into next. I'm really going to try and narrow down the amount that I have here. So invest more into American Airlines, which hasn't paid me out anything yet. But I'm investing into American Airlines more for the gain, which is kind of surprising because this is my dividend portfolio. But I'm going to invest some things into Ford, LTC properties, more into more into monthly dividends, because that's what I want to see. I want to be able to give you that type of information. So that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video. If you do, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and get your free stocks down below. That helps me out a lot. And it'll help you out too. You'll get started investing. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.